Kathy from Cats How Create, and I'm coming on today with a project share. I made these cute Easter bunnies for my son's pre-K class. So I do have the big bunny die cut, and I'm trying to see if I could put it in frame. And I die cut these bunnies, and I punched the bow, and I did this, and back here, instead of putting a bunny tail, which I originally wanted to put, and if you want you could do that too, but I just went ahead and placed a popsicle or a lollipop there, and that's it. Since they're pre-Ks, they're probably just gonna get the little popsicle and just basically tear it apart, and that's it. So this is the bow. I wanted to show you guys which is the bow punch that I used, and this is the one. It's from Fiskars, and I so love it. It is awesome. It makes the bows small and just the right size. I had previously bought in one, and it was extra tiny small, and I wasn't too pleased with it, so I went ahead and got that one, and I love that one. And here is another project share for my son's second grade class, and here you go. So this is supposed to be an Easter bunny, and I just have to fix the little ears, and there you go. And I just have to put a Happy Easter stamp right here, and I'll probably have this finished off and videotaped in a few minutes. Thing is that my hubby went to the grocery store, so he's not home, so I was able to do this video really quick. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did this really quick, and there you go. So what I did is I cut a piece of paper. I had 12 by 12s, and I actually cut these strips from about 2.5 strips, and then I cut for the round to cover it around. It was 6 inches. So that's how I did it. And then I also used a circle punch for the tail. As you can see, I'm drying these up right now, and I used the pom-pom and put that on top. So what I'm gonna do is just place the pom-pom on the back, and there you go. You have a cute Easter bunny. And for the ears, what I did, I actually used this oval punch. It's a 2-inch punch, which I got at Michael's. And for my scraps of paper, I just went ahead and punched half a punch. As I'll show you on this piece of paper, I just did half a punch, just like that. Cut it off, and all I did was, after the half a punch, I went ahead and went around it and just cut, and there you go, and fix it to be a Easter bunny's ears. Just doesn't have to be exact or anything, just did it like that. And then what I did afterwards, I went ahead and did the, what did you call when you edge it with the ink edged it on the sides, as you can see right here. No, sorry if it's too bright or not too bright enough. There you go. So there you go. So that's gonna be their treats for their classroom. And I do apologize that this video is not perfect, or it's not I wish it was a little bit more precise and a little bit more but I just wanted to show you really quick what I had created while my hubby is gone. And there you go. And everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. These bows were actually from scraps, so like I said, kids are just gonna, you know, get the lollipop and throw the rest away. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you like it. Any comments, go ahead and leave them on the description below. If you are a new subscriber, I would love you to have you on board. For my continuing subscribers, thank you very much. You guys are so awesome, and I love all your comments and input. and we will see you guys on our next video. Thank you. You guys have an awesome day.